In this video we'll be talking about how you can use the devices that you've connected to your control system to quickly and easily automate your home using the inbuilt apps. Here on the Devices tab you can see the devices that we've connected to this system. We have a button, some motion sensors, some smart plugs, a couple of contact sensors and some key fobs. To start setting up some automation using these devices, we firstly need to visit the Settings tab and go to My Apps. Here you can see the automations we've already added to this system. To add a new app, we just simply click on Add an App, where we are presented with the current catalogue of apps that are on the system, ranging from simple button apps that will turn on and off devices, right through to full alarm systems which will trigger and sound alarms as required. Once you've found an app that you would like to install, you simply click on the Install button, give your app a name and say where the app is for. So in this case it's something in the TV room, and click Create. Once you've done that, we now have an app with a unique name, and in this case it will just simply turn on and off a group of lights from a button. What we then do is we just simply follow the instructions that are below. So here we need to select a button. So we're going to select the button that we're going to press to toggle the lights, and we click the Edit button, where we're now presented with all those particular types of devices, so in this case a button on the system. We find the button that we're looking for, and we click. If there were more than one button that we wanted to press, we could also select that now, and we click Save Your Changes. Now highlighted in green, we know that when the TV room button is pressed in the coffee table, the following things will happen. So here we have two optional aspects where we can select either plugs that we want to toggle on and off, and or some lights that we want to toggle on and off. Now we have 4 smart plugs connected to this system, so I'm going to click Edit here, and I'm going to find the smart plug that's connected to my TV room lamp, and I've selected it, and I simply click Save Changes. And now I have a complete app, very simple, straightforward app, but when I press the button in the TV room, it will toggle on and off the smart plug which is connected to the lamp that's in the TV room. And that's it. We now have a complete app ready to go.